So since you're already grade 1, we'll be always reviewing scales. It's going to be one hand at a time, 2 octaves. Yeah, so the first one is C major scale.
How you do right hand C major 2 octave. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. And then you go back. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So you have to follow all the fingering correctly. Yeah? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 3, 4. Okay, if you can already do that slowly, you're supposed to do it pretty fast, yeah? Here you go. Okay. I'm going to show you C major scale but with left hand, 2 octave, yeah? The fingering is quite different, so you gotta pay attention. Very slowly. Switch to 3. Switch to 4. Switch to 3. Down. Putar bawah. Putar lagi bawah. Jempol. G switch. Okay, now you have to do that, practice it, yeah, until you can do it pretty fast like this with the correct fingering, yeah. Fingering, you cannot just ngarang-ngarang gitu. Alright, now if you can do it even faster, that's better, yeah? 4, 3, down, down, down. Alright. So you have to practice this every week. So this is a ongoing homework, yeah?